Andrew is the food service director at Longmeadow Public Schools in Longmeadow, Massachusetts. He will be demonstrating the safe procedures for operating a pressure steamer. Because you will be working with hot steam, pressure, and electricity, using and cleaning a pressure steamer can be dangerous. Please review the segment on electrical and gas safety before using this piece of equipment. This illustration shows the parts of the pressure steamer that you should know. Before using a pressure steamer, you need to follow a few general safety guidelines. Do not wear loose clothing or jewelry because they can get caught in the equipment. Before starting or changing food preparation tasks, wash your hands. Follow the food code and your standard operating procedures for glove use. And be sure all equipment, pans, and utensils are clean and sanitized. Place hot pans on a cart for transport. Never carry the pans by hand. Since you are working with moist heat steam, water may drip on the floor while you are working. This makes the floor slippery and someone could fall. Mop water around the steamer immediately. Now, Andrew is going to show you how to safely use the pressure steamer to make steamed broccoli. If applicable, check that the machine power sources are off and the water level indicator to make sure that there is the recommended amount of water in the machine. Self-contained steamers and direct steam models are similar but operate differently. Check with your supervisor to determine the type of steamer you have and your standard operating procedures. Turn on the unit and preheat it for 10 minutes to ensure even cooking. It is during this time that the steam generator will fill up with water and heat. Next, place the food to be cooked evenly in the pans. When the pressure steamer shows that it has finished preheating, then place the pans of food into the cook compartment. Close and latch the door of the compartment. Now, set the timer to the recommended time for food you are cooking. Never open the door while the steamer is cooking. When the timer indicates that the cooking has completed, wait 2 to 3 minutes before opening the compartment door in order for the pressure to release. Clear everyone from around the pressure steamer. Stand off to the side of the steamer and open the door. This will protect you and your coworkers from any steam and heat that will be released. Use oven mitts to remove the hot pans from the steamer. Remove the pan from the top of the steamer first, then the lower ones. This will keep you from getting burned from the rising steam. Mop any water that has dripped on the floor. At the end of the day, or when you are finished using the pressure steamer for an extended period of time, turn the machine off. Drain the water from the machine and refill it as required from your standard operating procedures. Safe cleaning directions. When you finish using the pressure steamer, clean the interior and the exterior. Follow lockout, tagout procedures. First, leave the compartment door open and allow the machine to completely cool off. Wait at least 5 minutes. Now, clean the inside of the steamer compartments. Remove any food particles. Check that the drain holes at the back of the compartment are clean and clear. Wash with warm water and mild detergent, then rinse well. According to your cleaning schedule, remove shelving and other removable parts. Wash them in the 3-compartment sink or use a dishwashing machine. Reassemble the steamer compartment. Then, using warm water and mild detergent, carefully wipe all outside surfaces of the pressure steamer. Keep water and detergent away from the control panel and electrical components. Do not use a spray hose or steam cleaning methods. Rinse with clean water and allow the machine to air dry. Leave the door open slightly. If you believe your pressure steamer is not working properly, tell your supervisor. Never try to fix it yourself or ask anyone who is not trained. This concludes the pressure steamer segment of the training. Please take a few minutes to answer the review questions provided by your supervisor. You should get a demonstration in addition to this training to ensure your safety when using the equipment. If you have any questions or need more help to safely operate the equipment, ask your supervisor. Remember that pressure steamers may be different, and you should always refer to the user's manual provided by the manufacturer for more specific instructions, or ask your supervisor.